Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of No Flame Cooking. Today, I will be making an Indian dish called dal, or lentil soup. This is my Indian comfort food, and I'll show you the easiest way to make it. For me, cooking a meal should not be more than 15 minutes. I prefer food that's fast, tasty, and healthy, and this is one of them. So you're going to need 2 cups of pink lentils, 6 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll microwave the lentils for 15 minutes. Then you'll take it out of the microwave and garnish it with coriander. And that's it! Now you can serve as a side dish, along with rice and potatoes. To bring the taste to the next level, add some lime juice and some butter. Just as a side note, the potatoes are boiled and grilled on a cast iron skillet. This dish looks really nice. It is very appetizing and the sight itself de-stresses me.